We are given a quadratic function and a linear function. And it says in the given system of equations, A is a positive constant. The system has exactly one distinct real solution. So what it means is this is a quadratic function. So its graph is going to be a parabola. And this is a straight line, which means and also it has exactly one distinct solution. So the straight line intersects the graph in exactly one point. So this is going to be a tangent to the parabola. Now, with algebra, this is going to be extremely lengthy problem. But here are some notes I have made for this video, and it involves some calculus. If you want to know a lot more about calculus, refer to my calculus playlist. But just for this video, we need some notes. So first thing, this is from algebra. Slope of a line in standard form, ax plus by equals c, is just opposite of a over b. So why do I need that? I need it because this is in standard form. So I know that the slope of this line is going to be opposite of 40. So negative 40 over negative 4, that's 10. So that's good. Now, the rest are notes from calculus. Slope of a tangent line to a curve is its derivative. Now, what is the slope of tangent line? It's called the derivative of the function. And then there are some formulas for derivative. This is the only one you need to know. Derivative of x to the n is nx to the n minus 1. You bring the n to the front, and then the new exponent will be 1 less. So x square's derivative is going to be 2x, and derivative of x, because x is simply x to the 1, this is going to be 1, and the derivative of constant is going to be 0, because constant means you have exponent of 0. Now, there's some other thing called linearity of derivative, and we'll not get into that, but I'll just tell you with this example. If you want to find the derivative of some quadratic function like this, remember x square's derivative is 2x. So derivative of 5x square will be 10x. And the derivative of negative 2x is going to be negative 2. And the derivative of 3 is just 0 because 3 is a constant. So with that, let's read this problem one more time. You're given this system of equations and it has exactly one distinct solution, which means the derivative of this parabola. Now notice, if y is equal to 3x square minus 5x minus 12, what is its derivative? The notation for derivative is dy over dx. Now, we learned that this will give me 6x and this will give me negative 5, and the derivative of constant is 0. And so derivative is nothing but the slope of the tangent line. But what is the slope of this line? Slope of 40x minus 44y equals a is just 10. So all I need to do is set these two quantities equal to each other, 6x minus 5 equal to 10, and solve for x. So I add 5 on both sides, turn that into 15, and divide both sides by 6. We get that. So this is going to be 5 over 2. So the x coordinate of the point is 5 over 2. And we have to figure out a, which means we also need to know the y coordinate of this point. So how do I get y? Let's go ahead and plug 5 over 2 in for x. So y equals 3 times 5 over 2 square minus 5 times 5 over 2 minus 12. And we can use calculator for this. So let's go ahead and put it in calculator. 3 times 5 over 2 quantity square minus 5 times 5 over 2 minus 12. Just push enter and it says negative 5.75. I guess we can keep that, negative 5.75. So we have that. And to get a is simply 40x minus 4y. So 40 times x is 5 over 2 or 2.5 minus 4 times negative 5.75. And again, we can put all of that in the calculator. 40 times 2.5 minus 4 times negative 5.75, and 123 is our answer.